Imagine a world where the green life surrounding us represents an intricate, intelligent network of living systems far more sophisticated than traditional scientific understanding has ever acknowledged. Plants are not merely passive organisms, but dynamic, responsive beings engaged in complex problem-solving and communication strategies that challenge fundamental assumptions about consciousness and cognition. Recent groundbreaking research in plant neurobiology is systematically dismantling centuries of reductive scientific perspectives, revealing a profound botanical intelligence that operates through intricate biochemical and neurological mechanisms. Modern scientific investigations are uncovering extraordinary evidence of plant sentience that transcends conventional biological frameworks. Researchers have discovered neural-like networks within botanical systems that enable sophisticated environmental processing, strategic decision-making, and adaptive responses comparable to advanced cognitive behaviors. These networks allow plants to detect minute environmental changes, communicate sophisticated chemical and electrical signals, and implement remarkably nuanced survival strategies that demonstrate remarkable problem-solving capabilities. Sophisticated experimental methodologies have illuminated plants' extraordinary capacities for recognition, memory, and targeted response mechanisms. Studies have documented plants' abilities to distinguish between different types of stress, recognize familial organisms, and implement precise defensive strategies. Some plant species can differentiate between specific insect predators, releasing targeted chemical compounds designed either to repel attackers or strategically attract predatory insects that will neutralize potential threats. The emerging scientific understanding of plant intelligence represents more than mere biological curiosity. It constitutes a profound philosophical challenge to traditional definitions of consciousness and cognitive processes. If botanical organisms can solve complex problems, communicate intricate information networks, and adapt with such remarkable sophistication, our fundamental understanding of intelligence itself becomes radically destabilized. The boundaries separating sentient and non-sentient life are rapidly dissolving under rigorous scientific scrutiny. Neurobiological research is revealing plants' capacity for complex information processing that rivals traditionally recognized cognitive systems. Plants demonstrate remarkable abilities to store and retrieve environmental information, make strategic decisions based on accumulated experiential data, and implement adaptive responses that suggest memory-like cognitive processes. These discoveries challenge long-standing scientific assumptions about the nature of intelligence, suggesting that consciousness might exist on a continuum rather than as a binary state. The philosophical implications of plant intelligence extend far beyond botanical research, inviting a comprehensive reimagining of humanity's relationship with the natural world. By recognizing plants as dynamic, intelligent systems constantly negotiating complex environmental interactions, we transform our perception from viewing nature as a passive backdrop to understanding it as an active, responsive network of interconnected living intelligence. This paradigm shift promises to revolutionize multiple scientific disciplines, from biology and neuroscience to ecological and environmental studies. Cutting-edge research methodologies are systematically mapping the intricate communication networks that plants utilize to interact with their environment. These networks involve sophisticated chemical signaling, electrical impulse transmission, and complex biochemical interactions that enable plants to share information, warn neighboring organisms about potential threats, and coordinate collective survival strategies. Such findings suggest a level of botanical intelligence that operates through mechanisms fundamentally different from, yet equally sophisticated to, animal nervous systems. The quantum gardeners of science are progressively unveiling a living world far more intricate and conscious than previously imagined. By employing advanced technological tools and interdisciplinary research approaches, scientists are penetrating the hidden dimensions of plant intelligence, revealing a realm of botanical cognition that challenges our most